Hey guys, I am back with another chicken recipe, and this is one of the fastest, easiest midweek chicken meals you will ever make. It is a rapid chicken, veggies, corn, and salsa. Yes, believe it or not, so easy and ever so delicious. So let me show you how to make this up. So we'll get started here by throwing, 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Add in a cup or 2 of broccoli. Yes, you simply have to love broccoli. Half a red bell pepper. I like red just for that sweetness, but you can use yellow or green too. Another half a can of sweet corn drained. Then we will just stir and fry this for about 4 or 5 minutes until that broccoli softens and those bell peppers become, fork tender. Now you can always tell when broccoli is becoming cooked and, beginning to soften because it turns a really, really bright green. Next up, half a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of wonderful garlic. And you kind of know the drill. Stir and saute this for about 2 or 3 minutes until that absolutely amazing aroma of garlic fills the air. Now I'm going in with a package of seasoned pre-cooked chicken that I picked up at all places, Walmart. So just go ahead and throw that into the mix, and of course you can use, if you have leftover chicken or whatever, you can use it too. Season with a bit of salt. My all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. Kind of interesting, somebody made the comment the other day, well, stop trying to be funny and just cook. I don't know. What do you think? I think a bit of humor now and then is good, no matter how corny. A few hot pepper flakes just for some heat. I'd say about half a teaspoon, something like that. Then once again, grab up the old cooking device and mix everything together until it is nicely combined. And this is actually smelling really, really good. And as you probably know, guys, the veggies here are only a suggestion. You can have whatever you like. Some cauliflower, green beans, the sky's kind of the limit. But we are pretty much done here, and wasn't that fast? To serve this up, I'm going to be fast and easy once again and just grab up a package of old Uncle Ben's converted rice, and this is brown rice, and just throw it onto a plate. Of course, spoon our chicken over the top of that rice. I mean, it's even good without rice, but I just kind of like the rice. A few spoonfuls of medium salsa, I just like saying salsa, over top of those chicken and veggies. And then for the finale, some grated cheddar cheese. Now I'm moving and packed my grater, so I had to use a microplaner, but yeah, that works fine. And there you have it, guys, our ridiculously easy and fast chicken veggies salsa midweek meal. Of course, don't forget the corn. And you pick this up and bite into it, and it is amazingly good for the length of time we've taken to make it and the limited number of ingredients. Simply a must make, my friends. As always, give us a thumbs up and watch our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.